Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Canon EOS photographer Randall and Rueff here. Today is Friday, March 23rd, 2018 AD. It is 1:35 in the afternoon. And here we're going to look at if I get it here. The new EOS Rebel T7 EF-S with an 18 to 55mm IS-2 kit. But basically, we're talking about the EOS Rebel T7. So let's have a look, shall we? Get a screenshot of that. Looks nice. Decent. Not bad. Pop-up flash. Okay, obviously this is not their high-end camera, but it's a nice camera. Don't get me wrong, it's a nice camera. 24 megapixels. That's pretty cool. 24 megapixels. ISO for photos go up to 6400, which is pretty good. I mean, for a camera this price. Same thing for video, 6400. Digit 4 processor. So it's not the newest processor, obviously, by a long shot. But the camera's pretty cheap. I mean, we looked up here and said, what was it, 550 bucks. So, again, not the high end, but for the casual photographer or somebody wanting to get their first DSLR, not bad. Again, it's not dual digit 4, it's single digit 4, so it's not going to be the fastest camera by today's standards. But it's not bad, again, not bad. Wi-Fi certified. I'm not really familiar with this symbol. 9 points autofocus, so they're really not, the autofocus isn't really modern. But again, for what you're paying, what do you expect? 4:3 aspect ratio on the LCD, which is basically your standard TV. Screen intelligent auto, which is good, that's an improvement. Full HD, which means no 4K, but 1080p for a camera this price, not a bad deal. 3 frames per second is what I have on my camera now. Actually, my camera's even faster. It's like 3.5 frames per second. So, considering this is a new camera, that's not too good. But what do you expect when you have, over here you have a Digit 4 processor? So, again, still, I think it should have been more than 3, but you know, that's what you get when you only have a single Digit 4 processor. Feature guide is a neat feature. Basic functions is a neat feature. Creative filter, pretty cool. Ratios, in other words, so you can have your TV ratio, your square ratio, or your 16:9 ratio, which is kind of nice. So let's say you want to do YouTube videos and they're 16:9, you can set it for that. Or if you want to do a standard TV, you can do that. Or if you just simply want a square image, you can do that. So you got choices, which is really cool. They're doing a lot of new cameras now. So, okay, let's go to specifications. EF mount. Image format is 22.3 millimeters by 14.9. Recording media is SD or SDHC and SDXC memory cards. It's got a built-in flash. So basically, you can look at all these specs by yourself, but basically it's a cheap, easy. If you're wanting to use a DSLR, you're not into anything really serious, but you do want to upgrade from, say, a pocket camera to a DSLR, this is probably going to be the one you want to get into. You got a built-in flash, so that's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got here. What's in the box? Okay, so you got your camera, your lens, a battery charger, and a strap. Basically the things you need to get you going, okay? Of course, the iCup, which wasn't shown. So you got that. Okay, so that's basically what you need to know. I'll take a screenshot of that. I'm going to use that for the YouTube video. But there you go. That's what you get. And again, for a beginner, this is aimed at your casual photographer or someone who's going to just getting into DSLR, this is definitely not your high-end camera. But for, if you want to do casual photography, or let's just say you want to maybe do some blogging, this would be good. This would be a good camera for the casual blogger. Just wants to do some video, do some small videos or something like that. So it's got a lot of good uses. But again, it's not high end. It's not going to be. As far as photography, it's not fast because it's only 30 frames per second. But like I said, for the price point, not a bad deal. It could be a little bit better, in my opinion, on some things, but overall, for the price, it's not bad. So until next time, I'm Canon EOS photographer Randall and Rueff. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. God bless. And as always, keep taking those pictures.